Hi students, this lecture we're going to go ahead and create an Azure Key Vault where we're going to go ahead and store some secrets in Azure that could be something we want to store in a configuration file or a password or something that we're going to use in a computer program, um, but we don't want it to have access to the outside world, or we don't want people to be able to see it. We just want to have it encrypted and injected into our computer programs so people can't read our passwords. So the last video, it went a little longer than I'd like it to, so I'm going to try to be more cognizant of time here and do some more pausing in videos. So I want to take you through creating an Azure Key Vault. Okay, so now that we're back on the Azure portal, again, what I want to do is click Create a Resource. And then from there, from this screen, I'm going to go ahead and click Key Vaults, or type in Key Vaults, click Enter. And then from there, it should give me a button to create an Azure Key Vault. So I'll click Create here on the Azure Key Vault. Again, I want to go ahead and use my Azure for Students subscription. I'm going to create a new resource group. Go ahead and say my RG for resource group and KV for Key Vault. And in the instructions, I think it tells you to do dash your initials. So go ahead and do a dash DJD. Click OK. Enter the name for my Key Vault. So I'm going to go ahead and say Key Vault Test. And in the instructions, let's see what my Key Vault Test DJD. Okay, so it looks like I might have had this before and already deleted it. So I'm just going to put DJD2. Okay, and now it's allowing me to use that. And from here, you should be able to basically have all the information we need to create it. I want to go ahead and do the standard pricing tier in US East. And it looks like 90 days was how long I wanted to retain deleted vaults, and that's probably why my other one still exists. So from there, I think everything else I will want to keep. So I'm going to go ahead and click Review and Create. And I want to click Create after the validation passes, and then it'll probably take a second for the deployment to occur, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. Okay, so now the Key Vault is created. I want to click Go to Resource, which will then take me to my Key Vault. The instructions tell us we should take note of the Vault URI, which is essentially how we'll access our Vault through our computer programs that we can create through here. So if we have some configuration file that we want to store our Key Vault secrets in, we'll need this URI to tell it to go to get our Key Vault secrets. From there, we can come over here and click under Settings. We're going to click Secrets. Then we're going to click Generate/Import. So we want to, if we already have a password, say in a computer program, we want to put it here. That way we can inject it in. So let's go ahead and put the name, leave manual example password. And then the password in the instructions is H, capital V, capital F, KK96. And then from there we should be able to, I'm not going to set an activation or expiration, so I'm going to click Create. And then from there it should show us that our password has been created, and you can see the example password here. I'm going to go ahead and click Example Password, and then you can see exactly what we would need to access our password. So here's the current version of our password, and if we click on that current version, we should be able to then see all of the information from our password. So you can see that we have the secrets example password, so we can copy it to clipboard, and that's how we're going to access our secret in our computer program with the current version here. So your versions can have different, or your passwords can have different versions. And then from there, you can also see to show the secret value down here. So you can see that it's kept secret even on the screen, just in case you don't want it to be seen by whoever might be looking at your screen. So you can go ahead and hide the secret value. And that is all for the Azure Key Vault. So I believe you should have to take a few screenshots. I believe this might be one of them. And you'll want to take a screenshot with the secret shown. And then, of course, remember, after you've taken all your screenshots and submitted your application, come back to your Key Vault resource group, and then I'm going to click on delete the resource group so my Key Vault is gone. So type the resource group name of, I believe it's my resource group Key Vault, and then maybe -djd, click on delete. And now we can see it's deleting my resource group. So that should wrap up this video on creating an Azure Key Vault. I hope this helps you complete your assignments, and I'll see what you guys turn in. Thanks, and I'll talk to you later.